Hello, everyone. In the quiz, What is this? You listen to questions about popular dishes in Japan and guess the names of the dishes. Today I will be asking two questions. What is this? Question 1. What breakfast dish involves cooking eggs and ham together, often in a frying pan, and is commonly enjoyed with a sprinkle of salt and pepper? Please tell me your answer. Thank you. The answer to this quiz is ham and eggs. Did you get it right? Okay. Here's the next quiz. Question 2. What popular Japanese dish consists of bite-sized pieces of seasoned and deep-fried chicken, often served with a savory sauce or on a bed of shredded cabbage? Please tell me your answer. Thank you. The answer to this quiz is karaage, Japanese fried chicken. Did you get it right? That's all for today. See you next time.